What's up, y'all? And today is the first day, and the only day, of my first YouTube video. Before I get started, I want y'all to subscribe and like.
I'm gonna like your videos. You don't have it.
Videos. And subscribe to Adam's World.
You got the name
I'll
wrong.
put the link down
Wait,
below.
but you don't know how to.
Like, right down there. Yeah. I need for y'all to subscribe to him and subscribe to me. And in today's video, my first video, I wanted to do something a little bit big. We're going to be baking a cake. Caramel and coconut blondie mix.
You sound like a white girl.
Anyways, for this, you will need a bowl.
Duh.
These spoon thingies, like tablespoons, measuring spoons. We're gonna need one egg, only one egg, a whole stick of butter, this rubber spatula, and this big old spoon. And then we're also gonna need some water. So you're gonna get started. This is anyways, this is, don't do that. I forgot I opened it a little bit, but this is the, I'm gonna open the pack and dump it in there. So this goes in first. Okay, and I might have to pause this video because this is not what you want to do. Don't ever have your hair down in the kitchen. So, see you later. So, I am back. Okay, I just threw it in the bun. Anyway, I still have my mix here. Don't mind the noise in the background. Now, what do I have to do next? One stick of melted butter. So now I want to open this. Oh, and I forgot one thing. Be right back. I'm back. I forgot this. You need this. You need to open this up.
Do not mind her. Do
why
not
you in the back
mind
of my
her.
video
Why would you say
again?
so? Why?
Anyways, I'm gonna put that. Oh, okay. Make sure your hands are clean. I wash my hands. Okay. Put that in there and heat it up. Okay, I have tacos in mine. Anybody want a taco? Selling them for $1 a spoon. Oops, I'm not. Can you move? Put it on like 30 seconds and see where it gets. Okay, so now I can be. I never do good with this. So if you eat some of this cake and you see a show, sorry. Hope you don't die. I mean, that's sarcastically.
I really want to. JK, just kidding.
I did it. That was a warm egg. Hope I don't get sick. This is what 30 seconds did to that stick of butter. 30 more. So if I was you, I would just put it on a minute. I'll be back when that's done.
You tried.
I didn't nip off. Sorry,
You
guys.
tried.
I'll be back when that's done. It finished. Sorry. But that looks like you say it. Okay. So I'm gonna take this. Should I add the water first? I will add the water first. It says 1 tablespoon. Tablespoon. Watch out, watch out! This is gonna be some dry cake. Pour it in there. And we're going to mix it up. I have an electric mixer, but I don't feel like mixing. Keep finding it. So
I mix it.
We're gonna mix it. we're going to mix it.
We're going on a trip, and I feel a rocket ship.
I'm going to cheat and put more water in here just because I want to cheat the recipe.
That's what I will be doing.
Just gonna put a little bit. I'm just gonna cheat a little bit. This cake nasty? It's not my fault. It's like this is like a little bit of batter. Ugh, I see coconut. I don't like coconut. Anybody else not like coconut? Comment if you don't like coconut. Ugh. This is like nasty, like the nastiest thing ever. This is not gonna fit in a big. It's too thick. Let's make this cake. Well, nothing. You can never be too thick if you know what I mean.
Just stop. Just stop.
Okay. Anyways, making this cake. It smells like. It don't look good. That's a thing. It don't really look good. It's caramel stuff though. Like, look.
What, man?
No, get on. So, I'm gonna put it in the pan and I'll be back. Next time, if y'all do this, make sure y'all have y'all things out. I'm not good at this. Like, make sure you're prepared because I'm not.
What are you doing, dummy? Put some butter in there.
We need to
spray that pan.
Spray the pan with butter. If not, your cake is done for. It's gonna get stuck. Yeah, it's gonna. It's gonna stick.
It will magically fall apart. You're so stupid, Jimmy.
You gonna put curds in the cake? I don't know. So now we're gonna. Can you stop?
Okay, really, Kyrie? Acting like nobody's seen that carrot.
This looks alright. I mean, for it to be a curd.
It does not. It looks like a lot of poop.
Okay.
Ew. This looks so nasty.
Kavi, you wanna do this? So it's in there.
Don't let him do it.
He's gonna do the rest of it. How you do it? But no, I do. Okay, I'll show you later.
2
but
hours
yeah, this
later.
is basically what it is. I'm guessing. We're gonna preheat the oven.
Should have been preheated.
Preheat your oven to 325. Okay. Okay, wait. Okay. Wait. 320. We'll be back when it's done. Okay, so the cake is in. And I'm bored. But after I take the cake, I'm gonna have to wrap this video up because it's like 8:30 on a school night. And I didn't do my homework. So, yeah. I'll show you the cake and I'm done. So, that cake is done. It still look like, it's like, But this is the end of the video. Bye, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Say bye to the cake. Just kidding. I'm not ending this video. It is not time for me to end the video. I'm just one. The cake, it looks pretty good. Now, all we have to do is clean up.
It's 11 o'clock and I still didn't finish cleaning up. I'm not going to finish cleaning up. Let's just still do it.
Anyways, don't forget to subscribe to Adam's World. And
Still getting the name wrong.
Adam's World. So I think and yes, I want to shout out to my best friend. Hey Shania.
Best friend. That's
hey,
my
Mia.
best friend. That's
hey,
my best friend. Go best friend.
Hey Vanessa. But yeah, I love you.
Come on,
so
Jimmy.
much.
How you feel,
And
Krista?
I just want y'all to support me, and I want to see how this first video goes. So, comment some other things you want me to do. Like if you want me to do like a challenge, comment. If you want me to slap somebody, comment. If you want me to do a prank, comment. Or prank. and I will see what I can do. The first, when I hit 100 subscribers or 100 views on this video, I will do a giveaway. Not gonna be nothing big. Don't get your hopes up. I'm just gonna do a giveaway. I'm not gonna let you know what it is until the day comes. And that is my mother's boyfriend. Anyways, I will do a giveaway. It could be Takis, it can be phone. Psych, you ain't getting no phone. Back in the phone, new phone, you ain't getting no phone. I know, but it can be some food. It can be food. It can be school supplies if you need it. It can be clothes. It can be shoes, maybe. But yeah, it can be. I can bake you a cake. I can do a video about you, or you can do a video with me. It could really be something good. So just make sure y'all give me 100 views or 100 subscribers. Matter of fact, give me 100 views and 100 subscribers, and I got you. Mia. Oh.